brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I'm Kopal Chima from the Mumbai office on 27 July 2017. In steel, rebar on Shanghai Futures Exchange recorded a 3-month high on Wednesday by settling at 3697 yuan per ton and was also about 26% up from the lowest recorded price of 2391 yuan on 5th May 2017. However, they settled at 3679 yuan per ton on Thursday, recording a 0.49% drop from Wednesday's settlement. Analysts relate the increase in rebar on Wednesday to concerns about a possible tightening of supply as China sends inspection teams to mills across the country. Chinese government is sending 18 inspection teams to inspect low-end steel plants to prevent them from reopening after a crackdown on low-tech steel furnaces ended on the deadline of June 30th. However, the fall in prices can be majorly attributed to temperature, say analysts. Construction work typically slows down during periods of hot summer weather, picking up again when temperatures cool in the fall before the onset of winter. The China Meteorological Administration said on Wednesday that more than 85 countries and cities across the country experienced temperatures over 40 degrees Celsius. Some regions have hit record highs. Traders and analysts said trade volumes in physical markets have dropped with the high temperatures. Among 24 listed steel firms who published performance reports, 21 saw improved earnings in the first half of this year because of higher profits for their steel sales, say reports. In coal would remain important in India with its share in energy mix not declining below 46% in 2047. 2047 claimed a report prepared by the Niti Aayog and the Institute of Energy Economics, Japan. The report said that the share of electricity generation through coal-based power plants will almost be around 55% in 2032. In financial year 17, coal power plants generated more than 85% of the total electricity produced in the country. In 2047, per capita electricity consumption of India is envisaged to become 3581 to 3588 unit from 1075 units in financial year 16. This indicates that even in 2047, India's per capita electricity consumption would be still lower than US, China and Germany. In iron ore, Brazil government on Tuesday proposed to change its mining code. Royalties for iron ore will increase from 2% to 4% depending on market prices, according to Mining Ministry's website. The new rules, which will go into effect in November if Congress approves them, includes plans to shorten wait times for mining licenses and creation of the National Mining Agency to oversee the mining industry. Mining Minister Fernando Coelho Filho said, I quote, that Brazil lagged behind in the royalties it charged and added that such measures will help in the growth of the Brazilian economy. In offers, following the surge in international zinc and lead prices, Hindustan Zinc has increased offers on all its lead and zinc products. The company raised zinc offers by Rs 3,900 per metric ton and lead offers by Rs 3,600 per metric ton. Special high-grade zinc is now priced at Rs 2,07,300 per metric ton as compared to Rs 2,03,400 per metric ton at the Tarapur stock point on 24 July 2017. Lead of minimum 99.99% purity is now priced at Rs 1,74,700 per metric ton as compared to Rs 1,71,100 per metric ton at the Tarapur stock point on 24 July 2017. In international offers, aluminium ingot offers at Shanghai port on FOB basis for Thursday have been reported at $2,112 per metric ton. It witnessed a 0.19% increase from Wednesday's offer, which stood at $2,108 per metric ton. Aluminium foil offers on FOB basis have been reported at $2,612 per metric ton at Shanghai port. It observed a 0.08% increase as compared to Wednesday's offer, which stood at $2,610 per metric ton. In domestic ferrous offers, Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,900 per ton, while MS ingot at Mandi Gobindgarh is being quoted at 28,900 per ton. At Bhavnagar and Chennai, the offers have been recorded at 26,500 and 26,300 per ton respectively on Thursday. In domestic non-ferrous offers, Metals Update assessed spot offers of aluminium ingot from Delhi market at Rs 132 per kg, copper mix scrap is being offered at Rs 330 per kg, and zinc ingot is being offered at Rs 206 per kg on Thursday. Thank you for watching. Join us again tomorrow for latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead.